Let's focus on our third chakra and the glowing yellow color. Allow the intensity of the color to grow until you feel its vibrations in every part of your body. Imagine you can breathe the yellow color. Fill yourself with the yellow color and feel everything within you. Clear and widespread awareness, making you strong and confident. Feel that energy surrounding you. Breathe into very pure green emerald light that enters you and settles down and then expands into your heart. Expand this light from your heart and into your entire being. Become this green light, feeling the energetic light spreading, feeling clear and open. Now let's focus on our fifth chakra. Think about the blue color of the sky and the sea. This color is within you and starting from your throat area, spreading the great energy of truth, purity, cleanliness, and tranquility. See it, feel it. It's time to focus on our sixth chakra. This is our third eye chakra. Imagine the vibrations in a calming but powerful indigo color. The color of wisdom, knowledge, and mysticism. Finally, bring the energy to your crown, to the seventh chakra. Make the white energy spiral around this chakra. Visualize how light clears and unlocks this last chakra as well. Now let's create some energetic magic. Let your breath proceed in its natural rhythm as you allow your body to begin to relax even deeper. When you feel that no tension hinders your total relaxation, begin to visualize before you a copy of your physical body, completely shrouded in light and energy. A mix of colorful lights that slowly transforms the image of your physical body into a pure, bright figure. Breathe deeply as you watch how the beautiful energy expands inside your body and surrounds you. This energy is not something you need to look for. It is something already within you. You just need to release it, to let it go.